Obviously a lot of dust inside this furnace.
Why would all that dust be a problem?
This is the flame sensor that comes out. Can you see all the residue that's on here? See, it's been burned on. Causes resistance for that flame rectification signal to go through there. You'll get nuisance lockouts and things like that when that doesn't get cleaned up. I'm gonna pull the blower out. As you can see, everything is dusty. This really affects how much air the blower can move. That all definitely needs to be cleaned. But can you see what's happened here? I'm going to turn this furnace on now.